Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at a product that could revolutionize your carpet cleaning routine. The BISSELL TurboClean Upright Carpet Cleaner, complete with Pro Max Clean and Protect plus Oxy Urine Eliminator formula. It's designed to tackle tough messes, particularly pet stains, and provides a lightweight, maneuverable option for small spaces. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional cleaning, this may just be the solution you've been waiting for. The BISSELL TurboClean is engineered to make everyday cleaning, as well as pet messes, a breeze. With its 4-row DeepReach PowerBrush, it promises to dig deep into carpets and area rugs, lifting out ground-in dirt and stains that vacuums often leave behind. Paired with powerful suction, it's a cleaning powerhouse, perfect for high-traffic areas or those tougher set-in stains. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and maneuver in tighter spaces, without sacrificing cleaning performance. This upright cleaner includes the Pro Max Clean and Protect formula, which contains Stain Protect technology to help defend against future stains, ensuring that the effort you put in today won't be undone by spills or dirt tomorrow. Along with the formula, the Oxy Urine Eliminator works wonders on pet accidents, breaking down stains and neutralizing odors for a fresher, cleaner home. When it comes to handling pet messes, the BISSELL TurboClean makes sure you're covered. Pet owners will appreciate the combination of the specialized formula and the 4-row PowerBrush, which works in tandem to lift and clean the debris that's often deeply embedded in carpet fibers. Whether it's pet hair, dander, or stains, this cleaner has the right tools to restore your carpet to a like-new condition. In terms of performance, the TurboClean does not disappoint. The suction power is more than capable of lifting dirt from both low-pile and high-pile carpets, leaving them looking fresh. When it comes to maneuverability, this cleaner's lightweight build ensures it won't feel like a burden to push around, even in tighter corners or narrow hallways. And with its compact size, it doesn't take up too much space in your closet, making storage hassle-free. Real-world performance testing proved this machine's versatility. On hard-to-clean spots, it performed exceptionally well, especially in those high-traffic areas that are notorious for holding onto dirt. I ran a test on a particularly soiled rug, and the cleaner did a great job pulling out not just dirt, but embedded pet hair. The results were impressive. The Pro Max Clean and Protect formula also gave me peace of mind, knowing it would help prevent future stains and odors. That being said, no product is perfect. The TurboClean's water tank is on the smaller side, which means more frequent emptying during longer cleaning sessions. While this isn't a huge issue for quick touch-ups or smaller spaces, it can be a slight inconvenience if you're tackling larger areas. Additionally, the noise level is noticeable, but not overwhelming, though it's something to consider if you're sensitive to sound while cleaning. In terms of value for money, the BISSELL TurboClean is a solid option. It's priced competitively for a carpet cleaner with these features, and the inclusion of the Pro Max Clean and Protect formula makes it a worthwhile investment for pet owners. If you compare it to other carpet cleaners in a similar price range, the performance of this machine stands out, especially considering the additional pet-specific features it offers. However, if you're looking for a model with a larger water tank or more advanced features, there are other models in the market that may cater to those needs. When we compare the BISSELL TurboClean to other popular models like the Hoover PowerDash or the Rug Doctor Portable, it holds its ground well. While the Hoover offers a bit more tank capacity, the TurboClean's lightweight design and superior pet stain removal make it a more suitable choice for those with pets or smaller spaces. The Rug Doctor, on the other hand, is more heavy-duty, but can be overkill for people who only need a carpet cleaner for everyday messes. The TurboClean's blend of suction power, portability, and effective stain prevention makes it ideal for users who want something that's both practical and efficient. As for the build quality, the BISSELL TurboClean feels sturdy without being overly heavy. The plastic components are solid, and there's a noticeable attention to detail in the construction. The brush roll is easy to clean, though it might require occasional maintenance if you have pets with long hair. Overall, the vacuum feels built to last, and maintenance is straightforward, with minimal parts that require regular upkeep. Customer support from BISSELL has always been a reliable part of their brand, and while there's no significant interaction with their customer service for this model specifically, the overall reputation of the company for handling issues is well established. The warranty covers the basics, so you can feel confident knowing that you're backed by a trusted brand. In conclusion, the BISSELL TurboClean Upright Carpet Cleaner is a solid choice for anyone dealing with regular carpet messes, especially pet owners. It's effective, lightweight, and easy to use, with great suction and stain removal power. The addition of the Pro Max Clean and Protect formula adds to its value, especially for those looking to maintain clean carpets over time. While there are minor inconveniences like the smaller water tank, the overall performance and convenience make it a strong contender in its price range. If you're in the market for an affordable, effective, and compact carpet cleaner that's especially good for pet stains, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got questions about the BISSELL TurboClean, or if you already own one, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews that help you make the best purchase decisions. Until next time, keep your carpets fresh and your spaces even fresher.